In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Paysafecard. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna show you the process on how to fix any issues that you might be having related to your Paysafecard. All that you have to do is visit their website instead of starting this process on the latest version of their mobile app, and in here you can find all the information necessary for you to manage and fix your account. So when you arrive on the website at paysafecard.com through a web browser, on your computer or your phone, scroll all the way down and you will find this little help option under the support category at the bottom of the page. This is where you must go, so click help, and in here use their virtual assistant at the bottom right corner of the screen, Lara, to contact them. As you can see here, you have a bunch of frequently asked questions that you can browse through, but in this video, I want to focus on the option of contacting them to get specific answers to any issues that you might be having that are not presented here. So using the virtual assistant, you can simply click start chatting and then type contact us. Immediately upon typing contact us, she will reply with a form that you can access by clicking here. So if you have been advised to contact us, get in touch with an agent via the web form here. Just click this link and you will be redirected to the service team, where once again you have to click contact us, and finally you can start the process of fixing any problems attributed to your Paysafecard account. So you can choose any of these specific topics, and usually they are going to have subtopics that cover any problems that you might be having. For this video, unfortunately, I cannot show you the process of doing all of them. You simply have to choose the topic that best applies to your issue, and eventually you are going to get this form that you can fill out with required information like the serial number, an email, the question or the issues that you might be having, and attach optional screenshots. They are going to reply telling you how you can fix your issue or if they can do something on their end. This is a very generalistic approach, but it is going to work for any specific issues that you might be having when using Paysafecard. Just make sure to describe your issue here and they will be able to contact and help you. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Paysafecard. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.